In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Halo Infinite. Multiplayer is unavailable. Please try again later. So the first thing you want to do is go to CMD, and then you want to run as administrator. So here you'll type the first command, ipconfig /flush DNS, and then press enter. Then you'll type ipconfig /release. Then you'll type ipconfig register DNS. Then the last command, ipconfig /renew. Once you do this, you want to test if it works. If it doesn't, then you want to go here, go to control panel, go to network and internet, go to network and sharing, click on your internet and then properties. Then down here, click on internet protocol version 6 and then select okay, so you had to click on internet protocol version 4, not the 6. Click on this one, and then click properties, go to use the following DNS. So here we will type in 88888 and then type this down and then press OK. Then close this down and then again check if it works. Now obviously you want to check if your internet is connected, and over here if you go to settings, for the internet settings, you can go to the internet settings you have here, and under the DNS server assignment, you want to make sure that this one is turned to automatic. So just make sure this is set to automatic. So once you set this one to automatic, you can just go back here to Wi-Fi, then go to network, then under where it says proxy, just make sure that the use a proxy server is turned off. So once you're done with this, check if it works. So if you're still having the issues with Halo Infinite, then I suggest you checking if the server is down. So if you go here, is Halo Infinite down? And if you go to this website or this one, they will tell you if it's down. So if people are experiencing server issues, you'll see like spikes here, and you'll see like spikes here, and if that's the case, then that means like people are having issues and it's an outage, and you'll just have to wait for them to fix it. And once they fix the server and the server is up and running, you should be able to play the game normally.